Alright, YouTubers, I'm going to make a wire trace out of a piece of J channel that you would use for vinyl siding your house. I need to be able to get quick access to some wire that's going to run from that hole there, and you can see the wire's already run. It's going to run about 9 feet across that board trim there, down that corner, and into that box right there. It's a network box that I'm working on. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So what I don't want to show is I don't want, I mean you can use these directly if you want to, if you don't care about what it looks like, but I don't want it to look like a piece of J channel. I just want it to look more like this. Now I've already started to cut the top off. A pair of electrician's scissors work fine, so this isn't really that hard to do. You take the electrician's scissors, you get them underneath like that, so they're under the board, and you just cut straight across to the next slot, like that. And you go all the way down. I need to go all the way down there, probably about 5 feet from the end. It needs to be 9 feet 3 inches. Alright, so I've come to my mark. That's a little blue line right there, and I need to cut straight across. Right there. Cut straight across. That's what I'm doing here. Like that. It's a little tough. I mean, you could use aviation scissors on this as well, or shears. Trim it until you get it. You don't want to go too far. Just enough. There you go. Okay. So the way I'm going to fasten this to the wall, now that I don't have any screw holes or slots just cut off, is I'm going to punch my own holes with this punch tool I have here. I'm just going to punch them, and I'm going to use some drywall screws to hold it through the plaster into the stud behind it. Alright, so I've punched all my holes, and I've kind of dry fitted up there already. I kind of marked them. I did them 16 inches apart. You can do them whatever you want, whatever fits your application. At one end here, I'm going to have these two pieces meeting. So it's going to be 90 degrees here, though it's not really showing you that. And then this will be up against the wall here where my thumb is. So in order to get my wires through to this here, I'm going to cut a little tooth right there so my wires can come down and go through this and into the next channel. So this is the tooth. I give it a little bit of support, and the wires won't get chafed up against the hard plastic or the cut edge. So, made it so it goes right in that the hole I cut for the wires a little bit. And this one here I've already put up in place, so I got an idea where it's supposed to go. This one's going to go in easy. Now the screw. Push it up tight against the trim with your hand. So I got my corner piece cut. I'm glad I didn't cut the tab off. And by the way, these are only 12 feet long. I thought they were 15 feet long. because I cut that little tab and the thing's a little short, I'm not going to go all the way to the corner, so actually I think I like that, not going all the way to the corner, because it gives me a little room between the wall to get my finger in and out of. If I'm up against the wall, it's going to be tough. You see up here I got the trim to work with. I can get my fingers in there. Over here you don't really want to be up against it. And I trimmed the top off of this because I didn't want to see the slots. So I think I'm going to put it there. I'm just going to get my level. So just bring me back here. Just going to put a level on it. I get it. Eyeball it kind of straight. That looks pretty good there. Just put a small pencil mark on the wall so I can kind of keep it in place. Down, screw up, put the screw in the bottom one, and I'll work my way up. Okay, that's pretty good there. Careful not to mark the wall. Stuff this into the channel. I've already stuffed it a little bit into the channel. You can see it's pretty much hidden over there already. And just go straight down and in. It's obviously not big enough for a lot of wire. I have 5 pieces. I've got to add one more on top of this. It's still up across the hole yet. Actually 2. There's 2 more that have to go in here. But you can see it's pretty much hidden down below. It didn't take me more than an hour to do this. And the trip to the store, which you'd have to do anyways. There's some method of hanging this. Pinch, it's good for a few pieces of wire. There goes my phone. A little tough to go around the corner here.